Yo, what's going on everyone? Thank you guys again for tuning in for another video. Today, Sue be getting some mods, so it's gonna be a super exciting day today. We got new headlights, new fog lights, front and rear sway bars, and thankfully today I got some help. And it's gonna be very productive. It's gonna be jam-packed. We got a short amount of time to get everything done, and hopefully, yeah, we're gonna jump right into it. So I got some help today. I got my the broski. Make sure you guys follow him on the Instagram below. And say what's up to the channel, brother.
And dog, you know who it is.
Dale, we about to get this thing going, and so far we got the wheels down. We got the wheels off, and we're gonna start on the front sway bar. We'll start taking the end links off, and focus. Yep. We already got both tires out, and yeah, we're gonna keep you guys updated. Work vibes. That's what he got me listening to. hey, broski, the playlist is mad rad though. You gotta have to share this playlist with me. One side down. Time to go to the other side. You can take it out the other side, yeah. Front one out. Start putting a new one. Sheesh. New one line going in. It's go time, baby. I don't think the back game is something. But look at the thickness of this one. This is with pre-workout, without pre-workout. So we finally finished the front sway bar. So all done to that. The front one is all done. So front sway bar is done. But I got a surprise for you guys. You know, I gotta keep everything secret. I can't spill all the beans. So I got something else that we're gonna do today, and it has something to do with the brakes. So what we're gonna do is I got new front big brake kits from Woodwood, and this thing's gonna be lit. So first things first, I'm gonna start taking out the old brake caliper, and then I'm gonna show you guys the big brake kit. Here you go, guys. We got the Woodwood big brake kits in front. We got your stainless steel lines. Oh, you got no hardware for it too. This, I'm pretty sure this is to assemble the rotor. Got ourselves some goodies. Dang, these one's heavy too. They pack a weight. Woo! It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit. Super stoked about these. We got the first rotor done. Passenger side, we bleeding the brakes. There go the rotor. Bam. Broski's working on the Woodwood rotor. How's that going for you, kid? Oh, it's time to get the other rotor out. Yo, what's going on, guys? So as you can see, we had to build the rotor, and build it with you build the rotor, and then you have the caliper. The caliper, you have the triple hex thread on the boats. That you got one here, 1, 2, and these back sides are like 11 millimeters when you tighten them up. Now the only problem we had to manufacture was this bracket right here for the stainless steel lines, because this this part right here where the valve for the brake line, we had right here where the bracket's at, we couldn't get the top piece in, so we had to slide it into the bottom up, and we had to make the bracket a little bit bigger just so this could slide in and it could tie in with the brake line.
Pump it again. And hold it all the way down. Do it.
Of course, I gotta let you guys know how. And look at that. Sheesh. Don't mind the brakes. It's just they're not clean yet. Well, this is where I'm in today's video. It's late, and you know, we didn't get as much work as we wanted to get done today, but we did get the Woodwood brake kit on, and we did get the front sway bar on today, so that's a good thing. I will be doing another video installing the drive shaft and the rear sway bars, and got the fog lights and headlights that came in, but stay tuned for those. And until next time, thank you guys again for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, peace.